Have you come across airdrop like this? It's not something hard for you to do. So let me show you how to do it. First of all, like my channel, like this video, and on the notification button, I'll share more video to you. Welcome, sir. So if you want to do this, what airdrop mean is that you are advertising a coin that nobody have know. So you take part of it by advertising. You can advertising it, make use of your social media account. So this coin now people don't know about it. So you doing it with the mix of airdrop means you are helping the company or anybody that have the airdrop or the coin to advertise them making use of airdrop. So if you want to do airdrop of this coin, click on the link. It will take you to Telegram. So once take you to Telegram, just click on when you take it to Telegram, click on start. I mean I've do it, but I just want to use this video to show you some. So what you have to do in the tags of this airdrop is that number one, click this first area Telegram channel, join them. Click the second one, partner channel, join them. Partner channel, you join them. After you join them, click on this advertise Telegram channel, you join them. Then join the main AIT group, join them, or the second one, join it. So once you are through, submit your Telegram username. Some might not ask for your username. So for this one, if you don't know your username, go back to settings in your Telegram. Settings, this settings. You click here, click on it, and click on settings. And once you click on settings, you will see your user. See where they wrote your user. This is my own username. My username is TID1994. So let me submit my username. Let me submit my username, which is in the airdrop. This thing. Let me submit my username, which is TID1994. So my username at TID1994. Then send. So once you send, it brings out the new tags you have to do. This one say next, just click on next. Then it will say that you can do something on Twitter. This follow AI on Twitter and like and retweet the pin tweet, comment with like and retweet the second tweet. Subscribe and vote on desktop. So on Twitter, click on Twitter, open it. Once it opens, your Twitter, their page on Twitter, just follow them because that is what they want. Follow them. Then don't forget the second thing that they say you should do is that you should tweet the pin post. Pin post means the post that have pin. See this place, this first one. You see that there is pin here. So this is pin post. So you click on love it. This one is love. Click on love. After I click on love, they say retweet. So you click on this place. Then that second one, you click on that second one. So this second one, click on it, then click on quote tweet. Now when you click on quote tweet, just write something here. So write something meaningful. Okay, let me write something meaningful. This is an awesome coin. Come and be part of it. You see, then mention come and be part of it. Then mention 3 people. You can put at Tayo, at that one. Remember 3 people. Then put at Shade. She's 2. Then the last one. Then put the last one. Then now that I'm through, you click on tweet. This tweet up here. Click on tweet. Once you click on, you see something right here, which is view. See this view. If you do not click on that view, you might miss out. But if you click on the view, and it takes you to this place, so you see where they write share. See this share here. Click on this share. then copy link to tweet. Now once you have copied it, go back to Telegram, and once you go back to Telegram, just paste your link there. Yeah, paste it and send. So that's all. So you can now submit your wallet address like that. There, your wallet address, you can find some in Trust Wallet and you can find some in MetaMask. Then just submit it. Because my own, because I've done my own before, it will not be difficult for me. So put in your wallet address, submit it. Once submitted, that's all you can do. So this is how you do your. So like this one, it needs instant withdrawal. There are some that you will not withdraw. They are the one that will send it by themselves. So once you put your wallet address, and if you don't know how to get your wallet address, you can make use of your Binance Smart Chain wallet address. That is the BNB one. But if you don't know how to do it, I'll create a video on how to get your link and you can submit it. So if you don't understand anything about Airdrop, you can comment and I will be liable to help you. So I wish you the best and nothing but the best. You're welcome.